about a mile into this hike up to the waterfall, and this is about how it's been the whole time. Rocky, rocky road. This is pretty crazy, you guys. So there's actually some kayakers that come down here. What I have to do is I'm gonna go underneath the waterfall, but I can't come straight up. I have to come out so that I don't get hit with the kayak. That'd be bad.
We found some really cool stuff today so far. Now we're up here in this higher pool, so we're gonna see if we can find anything up here too.
What's up, you guys? We had a lot of really awesome, unique finds this time. I think my favorite find was the phone, and I'm really hoping that thing still turns on because then we can find the owner and that'll be an awesome story. So let's take a look at what we got. So we got some crusty ones. Everything up there has like a layer of like stone on it. Some kind of mineral that's in the water that coats it, and it turns to like stone, like a layer of stone on top of everything. See how it just kind of scrapes off? This is a pretty nice little pair. Vintage body glove. It says made in Italy, so those have to be pretty nice. And they're in pretty good shape too. Someone lost their prescription glasses. That's too bad. Got a little bracelet. This thing is like a little bracelet that says DDB Bears. One of those guys. I was super excited when I found this knife because it was in such good condition. See, it does have some of that stone stuff on there, but it's not rusted, so it hasn't been down there for too long. So that was a really good find. I got 25, 50, 75, $1, 25, and then I got 2 pennies, $1.27 and change. I got this tungsten carbide ring. See, tungsten carbide, king wall. This should be a pretty nice ring if I clean it up. I got one of those little rubbery rings. It's a keep fit. And obviously the best find was this phone. I am so excited to try to find the owner. This thing was about 8 inches deep in the sand. I mean, it has to have been down there for like a year. So here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna see if this still turns on. All right, it looks bone dry. Woo! You gotta wait for it to turn on now.
I always want to see manplusriver in action.
You're witnessing history. While I'm waiting for this to turn on, because it's still charging because it was dead, I'm gonna try to get the SIM card out, and then I'm gonna plug it into this phone and see if I can find the phone number from that. All right, it's a T-Mobile. All right, found the guy's number, so let's give it a call. So how long ago did you lose it?
Yeah, probably a year.
Oh yeah, because that thing.
How it still works.
So,
oh wow, that's nice.
do you want to meet up? We can give it back to you.
Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, I'll give you money, man. If you
Oh no.
you guys want.
No, you don't need to pay us.
Then we'll meet somewhere. I'll get you guys some food. Okay. I mean, like, it's cool, man. I'll buy you guys something when I gather your friends and you guys come by and free lunch.
All right, awesome.
You guys come and eat. Take care of yourself, man.
All right, you too. Bye bye. He was so excited.
Here we are, we just arrived at Chipotle. manplusriver is walking into the building.
Got your back.
Let's see him in action.
Oh, yeah. Good, man. How you doing? Good. It's good to see you guys. Yeah,
what's up, guys? Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice. So there's the phone. I left all the mud on there. So it's been 9 months?
9 months, man. March 22nd.
Dang.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It is, bro. It is. Let me show you. I'll show you the videos right now.
We're at Chipotle, got free food, drinks.
This is what makes it all worth it. And people getting their stuff back, of course.
The food. How does it look?
It's too big to buy.
How does that free food taste, sir?
Excellent.
There you go.
Oh,
see,
no.
I jumped, and it's gone.
It's
gone. Look at that, bro. It's gonna be here for 32 minutes.
Still dropping.
Damn, that's fun. Survival.
See, you wouldn't have found that without some scuba gear, man.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, there it is.
And there it sits for 9 months.
And then this cool guy comes and gets it out.
Yeah, man. If you guys like this video and if you want to see more videos where I try to get the stuff back to their owners, please leave a like on this video. And I want to see if we can hit 30,000 likes on this video this month. That would be just awesome. You guys have been so awesome. I'm so thankful for every one of you who watch and support my channel. So make sure to look on my next video to find out how you can win a manplusriver t-shirt. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you on the next video.